Hey everybody, it's Haley, and today we are going to give AirFrance's Premium Economy a try. I've never done it. You've seen the economy videos on my channel if you've been following me for a while. If not, go check those out. And if you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe to these videos. I have flown AirFrance a few times, and boarding is always a bit of a mess no matter where I am. But overall, I'm going to tell you, I was very pleasantly surprised with these seats. This is an older model plane, but the service and everything that came with it, I can't complain. This pillow was incredibly comfortable. I love the tray. If you are plus size, you can still get a full normal size tray. If you're thinner, you can have an even bigger tray, as you saw it folding out there. Down here, there is a foot bar, so you can kind of slightly recline in your seat and put your feet up. A little pocket envelope here. You do get a almost full bottle size of Evian in the chair. After you're seated, they did come around and hand out the amenity kit. It was very cute, and honestly, I can say the products in here were pretty good. They didn't feel too cheap. One of the things that I really enjoyed about this kit was the eye mask. It had a very soft back. I know it's hard to see here, but I thought that was a nice touch. Some of them are scratchy. They also handed out orange juice and champagne and little wet cloths. Then it was time to have dinner. There was a huge variety on this plate. There were these little sesame crackers. Of course, you're going to get cheese on AirFrance. This was a camembert cheese. Really, really good. And then, of course, what is a AirFrance flight without French butter? So good. A roll, of course, that usually is one of my daughter's favorite parts of flying AirFrance. We were given a choice between a pasta dish and a chicken dish. I went with the chicken dish. It had this artichoke side dish. You're going to see the little menu here at the end. The chicken had a plum sauce with vegetables. This is the specific dessert for Premium Economy. It is a Paris breast. So good. Honestly, this is probably one of the best Premium Economy meals that I have ever had between the different airlines I've tried. Here's that menu. It is specially designed. Here's that menu in English if you're wanting to see what was on here. But the hazelnut mushroom artichoke thing was really great. You also got a little chocolate. This is what the seat looks like itself. This is where the remote is. I kind of hate when the remotes are in the seat like that. They do both come with headphones. Now, these seats are supposed to recline. My recline didn't work, and a lot of people in this cabin did not work. I'm not sure if there's just an issue with the seats in general, but nobody in here was reclined, even though there was a recline button. Now, you could put your leg up, and I did really like this cushion. It was very comfortable with that footrest down below. This is what the charging situation looks like down there. And then after, they turned off the lights, but they did come around with these cute little snacks. I got a chocolate dipped Madeleine, which was so good. Now, fair warning, I did speed through this portion because it was really, really long, but just wanted to give you an idea of what was available for the in-flight entertainment. Of course, like with most planes now, there are the flight trackers. You can pair your headphones and device with the screen, which I think is a really great feature. There's a good amount of movies on here. There's also destination guides, as you just saw. There were a bunch of movies available in both French and English, of course. But overall, very happy with the selection. And then it was time for breakfast. For breakfast, we had this little cute yogurt. It was really, really good. There was this cheese-style sandwich. I don't know what was on here fully, but it was cheese and a spread. Really, really good. And then there was like a little chocolate chip muffin kind of thing. Overall, I was really happy, and I think, like I said, this is the best Premium Economy product I have been on. I'm going to be doing a comparison for Virgin, Delta, and AirFrance. So stay tuned, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.